and hit for the get address. It will tell you exact where the location is. You can see this, it is a Conti di San Bonifico. It is in Italy. The location is in Italy. Let's see what is this location. Go copy this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you something that will change how you think about sharing your photos online. Okay, every photo you take that has some hidden parts, hidden metadata, like your device name, your location. Even in cybersecurity, it is called as EXIF data. EXIF data is nothing but it is a metadata of an image which it stores background when you click the image. In this video, I'm going to show you ExifTool, how to use that. Execute the commands what I am showing here. Okay. Then I will also tell you that how to remove that metadata. Means how to remove that metadata which is stored behind your image. Okay. If you are sending an important photo to anyone or your friend and all, and you are betting him that they tell me that where I am standing and all things. Okay. Then before sending that you have to remove that all things. If your friend know these all tools and techniques to how to use these all tools, then he can find you. Okay. ExifTool stands for Extensible Image File Formatter. In description I'm going to give all the information related to this tool, and even GitHub repository also in description. You can check out with that, and I will also provide the PDF to execute the commands. What are the commands you have to execute in this using this tool and all. Check out with that. If you are someone who is visiting my channel first time, let me tell you, this channel is for red teaming, especially for red teaming operations and all. To learn how to ethically learn the cybersecurity and all. Please do subscribe if you are someone who is excited to learn about these things. And in the upcoming days, I'm going to teach some concepts related to the cybersecurity, especially the red team. Not the old way. I'm shifting towards the AI concepts and all. AI tools nowadays. What are the AI tools as coming like that? How to use that AI tools, especially the AI tool which is automated penetration testing and all. We will be building some tools also using some software IDs which have come recently. Example Cursor, Anti-Gravity, and some more are there. Okay, let's start with the installation. Open your Kali Linux terminal and execute these commands. Sudo apt install exif. If ExifTool is not installed in your Kali Linux defaultly, then go for the git clone. You can execute this git clone command if your Kali is not default have the ExifTool. You can execute this command and you can execute and you can install from that. Okay, the link is given in a description. You can check out with that, and the commands I will upload the commands PDF in description. Okay, to show you for a demo, I have downloaded one image here from the online. Here it is, pictures. It is here. Okay, this is we will execute this and we will take out the metadata from this, and we will remove the metadata from this also. I will also explain what are the commands to remove the metadata and to get the exact location of this longitude and latitude of a image. Okay, first we will get into this directory, the image which is in directory. Okay, cd, I have already copied the location, and we are into the pictures directory right now. Now go for exif tool space, what is the name, dscn 0010.jpg. Okay, this is the image name. What is the syntax here? ExifTool with along with that image name. This is the syntax for this. Okay, right now you can see here it is revealing GPS position, longitude and latitude. You can see here it is a latitude, it is a latitude, it is a longitude, and also it is revealing the exact time, date and even seconds the image has took. Means it is revealing these all things, and this also revealing some what we say devices here. You will see this is a digital camera it is showing, and also the digital camera is also what we say company name also it will give. Here it is Nikon transfer. It is a software, means Nikon software means it is a Nikon camera only, right? Okay, now let's explore the longitude and latitude, means GPS of an image, means this image where this image you have took. Okay, for this you have to copy this first latitude, copy this latitude, and then copy this latitude and come to your Chrome browser. There is a one website called as GPS coordinates, okay, which gives you exact location. You can paste here latitude and go next for this longitude. Copy this longitude and come to your Chrome browser and paste here in this longitude input and hit for the get address. It will tell you exact where is the location is. You can see this, it is a Conti di San Bonifico. It is in Italy. The location is in Italy. Let's see what is this location. Go copy this and paste here this one, and you can see this is the wine restaurant in Italy, which is here. You can go here and see here, right? See, it is comes in Italy. It is in Italy. Okay. To remove the metadata of this image, we have to execute one command, that is ExifTool space dash all is equal to space image name. Here we are going to give the image name. When I hit enter, you will see it will create another image which is removed all the metadata of this image. You can see here it is created another image it is a original image. It says that it is a original image, but this image is which doesn't have any metadata. Let's see it reveals any longitude, latitude, something else. We can see here. We will execute this once again. You can see here this is giving this much of metadata only, removing all the longitude, latitude information and device information and all. See how much is this before removing the metadata. It is giving all the devices information, longitude, latitude. Especially longitude, latitude is a very important. Also one more thing, that don't think that I will download Instagram photos and Facebook photos and any social media like Instagram, Facebook especially, and download, and I will execute this tool and I will get the location of image. Don't think like that, because Instagram and Facebook, they were going to strip all the metadata before uploading to the public, means before uploading to the Instagram cloud or else what we say Facebook clouds and all. It is not going to work with especially with the Facebook and the Instagram. What are the remediation, means what are the solution for this? What is the solution for this? In iPhone, you have to go to settings. In settings, go to location and off the location permission to the camera. Okay, and same as the Android only. Okay, go to your camera settings. Direct you have to go to the camera settings and you can off the location. Okay, why this tool is used? This tool is this tool is basically used for the identifying the location in real world. Why this is used? This is used by the journalists to know the metadata of a photo which is already published, or which is gone to the public, like viral, for an controversy or anything and all. And yeah, that's it for the today. Now you know how EXIF data works and all, how EXIF data works, how to read it, and how to protect from them using privacy settings. Okay, if you found this useful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for the more cybersecurity awareness content. If you are a learner also, you can subscribe to the channel and drop your question in the comment section. See you in the next video.